Good morning. This is Lisa Howard, and this channel is all about entrepreneurship and using the internet to find resources to earn extra money. So I have to be real quick because my phone is actually running out of space, and I did a 10-minute video about 10 minutes ago, and it died on me, and it really wasn't recording. So let me hurry up before it dies on me. So I'm in the middle of a documentary series on my progress in my pursuit of my business. So in my business, I reached out on Sunday to 18 businesses, and I got a reply from 3, and none of them are ready to purchase, but I got a reply from 3, and I reached out on yesterday to 15. I haven't gotten any replies back on that. And the purpose of this video series is for me to document my progress, because I have been online since 2011, and I have not been consistent on in my activities. So this helps me to document for me, and also helps me to document for someone else who would like to start making the internet a resource for extra money. So that way you can look back at where I am now and where I'll be in the future, and hopefully, if you see it fit for you to pursue an internet business, then you can do that as well. But I will give you in my next video, I'll show you how I what I do to reach out to the businesses, because I do by email. So I'll show you how I find the emails of the different businesses that I want to promote my software product to, and it's websites. So with that, I want to end the video kind of quickly because I don't want it to cut off on me again. So with that being said, I will talk to you again on in my next video. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and then in between as well, as I find content that might be beneficial to my subscribers. So if you like this kind of information, make sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you, and I will update you with my progress, and hopefully I can inspire someone to follow the path that they've chosen in life, and know that you don't have to settle for where you are, because there are bigger and better places for you to go. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you again soon.